Kolkata, previously called as Calcutta, is the capital of the Indian state of West Bengal. It is located on the eastern bank of the river Hooghly. Kolkata is the primary business, commercial and financial hub of eastern India and the main port of communication for northeast India. It is the third most populous metropolitan area in India. River Hooghly, an arm of the Ganges or river Ganga. It provides access to Kolkata from the Bay of Bengal. It is formed by the junction of the Bhagirathi and Jalangi rivers at Navadvip. From there, the Hooghly flows generally south for about 260 km to the Bay of Bengal. It passes through heavily industrialized area with more than half of West Bengal's population. Constant steering is done to clean silt that rushes inland at high tide. Kolkata is also regarded as the cultural capital of India. The then Calcutta was the center for the Indian independence movement. Following independence in 1947, Kolkata, which was once the center of Indian commerce, culture and politics, suffered many decades of political violence and economic stagnation. A demographically diverse city, the culture of Kolkata features some peculiarities that include characteristically close interlaces with neighborhoods and freestyle conversations. Kolkata is home to West Bengal's film industry, Tollywood, and cultural institutions such as the Academy of Fine Arts, the Victoria Memorial, the Asiatic Society, the Indian Museum, and the National Library of India.
All Bengal product. এটা হচ্ছে আপনার তুলিয়া বলে জায়গা আছে একটা বেঙ্গলে, সেখানে এটা ব্রিফ করা হচ্ছে হ্যান্ডওভার এবং এটা হচ্ছে মটকা লাইক তসর another thing is মটকা আর এই যে জিনিসটা আছে এটা গিচা সুতো দিয়ে বোনা গিচা is nothing but fruit of তসর so this price range is 4330
আছে রোল আছে চাও আছে মোলাই আছে বলে